Hey, welcome back to Crypto Moon Gems. In this video, I'll be showing you the process of how to withdraw crypto from your Binance account and send it to any external wallet such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask. So from the home screen, navigate to your wallet. Then from here, click on Withdraw. It will then show you a list of all the cryptocurrencies that you possess and the amount that you have. For this video, I'll be withdrawing some BNB to my MetaMask wallet. So now you need to get your wallet address. I'll be doing this by going to my MetaMask app and then clicking on the address bar here. MetaMask is primarily an Ethereum wallet. However, you can add the Binance Smart Chain so that you can have access to BNB and BEP20 tokens. Watch my tutorial here if you would like a quick walkthrough. To do this on Trust Wallet, from the home screen, click on BNB and then select Receive. You can then copy and paste the address from here. Just a quick word of advice. When sending crypto, it's always best to double and even triple check the address that you're about to send to is correct, as if you send crypto to the wrong address, there's no way of getting it back. One quick thing I always do is to make sure the first and last 3 characters of the address are the same. This is just to give myself some more peace of mind. You will then need to simply paste your address here, and then it will also automatically detect the network. And it reminds you to make sure your wallet accepts BEP20 tokens. Then enter the amount you wish to send or click on Max, which will send the entire available amount of the crypto you have in your wallet. At the bottom, it will show you the amount of BNB that will be received minus the network fee, which is 0.0005 BNB. That's around 15 cents, which is pretty cheap and is one of the main factors in the rise in popularity of the BSC network. Next, confirm your order and fill in the security verification steps you have enabled on your account. Once your withdrawal request is completed, you will then need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the BSC network. Usually it takes around 4 to 6 transactions out of 15 for it to show up in the wallet that you have sent it to. You can also track the process on bscscan.com using the transaction address, and it normally only takes around 5 minutes depending on how congested the network is at the time. So that is how you send crypto from your Binance account to any other wallet. We use BNB for this example, however the same steps can be used for any crypto and for any wallet. Just make sure that the wallet you want to send to supports the crypto you're sending. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave me a comment below and I'll be glad to get back to you. And if you found any part of this video helpful, then leave me a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.